Hello there. Welcome to Unguti, the program that brings you closer to your roots. My name is Edna Jones, aka One Hiarewu Damakureni. I am your host. With me is
Galilian De Hunguga Samson, Wambako, #1, your co-host.
Alright, so on today's edition of the program, we will be identifying certain fruits that have English names and then still have TV names.
Yeah.
Like if you refer to orange, if you call the orange fruit, in TV you have it as alum.
Yeah, and then the pawpaw is called ambue.
Mbue. And you have the pear as
Mzembe.
then you have the coconut as
A kewe.
then you have the cashew as
A shashi.
beautiful.
Yes.
Now, okay, what about mango?
Mango is a mungo.
How can you say mungo?
That's what everyone calls it.
No, everyone calls it mango. When you say mungo, it's according to your own accent.
Oh.
Do you understand?
Okay.
So I don't think we have mango in Tiv language.
But the Tiv man actually has a way of naming things. Yeah.
Yes, a Tiv man always has a way of naming things. Like especially the ones you don't know, he would dash it to the white man. Now, so today, we are just going to name this fruit in front of us because we don't know. You and I don't know the name of this thing in Tiv language.
Of course, the Tiv man has already named this one now.
Like us.
This is Chie Yobute.
Hey, you are the one naming it Chie Yobute. Yeah, so since we do not know how to pronounce this one as this watermelon in Tiv language, we are going to call it Cheli Obute.
Cheli Yobute.
And this one is apple, right? Now, apple. We are going to call it Tiamiki Kioniki.
Adama Ifa.
Ah.
Yes.
Tiamiki Kioniki Adam and Ifia. That is what we are going to call it. And
Exactly.
a lot of them that do not have Tiv bearings. Do you understand? Now, if you know of these fruits that you think we can come together and name them, dash it to the Oyibo man. Let's have it in comment section. Now, thank you for being with us. Always watch Benue Family TV.
And don't stop following the Ungu TV show. We love you.
We love you. Mwah.